Fatima from Sparkly Belly. Circle skirts are some of the most versatile skirt choices for us belly dancers, but there's one little problem. They come with elastic waistbands, and if they're too tight, they'll create muffin top. If they're too loose, the skirt moves around. But our bodies go through size changes all the time, so how do we adjust the elastic waistband each time? Well, let me show you a simple trick you can try on your favorite circle skirt today. Let's get started. To make an adjustable waistband, you'll need elastic for your waistband. My elastic is already inside of the waistband, but you can do what I'm about to show you before you insert it into your skirt. It's up to you. A button. This should be a flat button without a shank and smaller than the width of your elastic. Button thread. I'm using button thread for attaching the button since it's thick and strong. First, cut your elastic a little bit longer than your waist measurement. I added about extra 15 centimeters or 6 inches, but you can add more if you like. Fold the ends of the elastic about 1 centimeter or 3/8 of an inch from the edge towards the wrong side, which is the bottom side when you lay the elastic flat against the waistband, and do a zigzag stitch. This way the ends won't fray and they're easier to grab. Then on one end, sew on a button. On the other end, draw lines for buttonholes. I marked 4 buttonholes, 5 centimeters or 2 inches apart from each other. Each hole should be about the size of your button. The holes will stretch too, so don't make them too long. Take it to your sewing machine, and if your machine has a buttonhole foot and stitch option like this, it's a piece of cake. If not, you can simply do a zigzag stitch around each line. Use a narrow zigzag stitch with short stitch length. Then take your seam ripper and open up each buttonhole along the line. Place a pin at the end of the hole so you don't go past that point. Repeat this for all your buttonholes. And now your adjustable waistband is ready. Keep the ends closed at all times so you won't lose the ends. Put on your skirt and find the buttonhole that fits best. Smooth out the elastic and the waistband, and now your skirt fits you perfectly. It only takes 15 minutes to do this, and I love that I can adjust the fit of my waistband. It's great for troop costumes that can be worn by dancers of different sizes, or skirts that you want to sell so your buyer won't have to fuss with the waistbands. And if you're curious about making this circle skirt with side drapes, I have good news. It's going to be part of my upcoming brand new course on advanced circle skirts, and I'm really excited about it. It's so pretty. I'm doing a pre-sale for this course this weekend only. Learn more about it at sparklybelly.com/circleskirt. I hope you liked this adjustable waistband trick, and if you did, please share this tutorial with your dancer friends. They will appreciate it. And again, if you want to make circle skirts with more advanced design features like side drape, check out sparklybelly.com/circleskirt. Thanks for watching and keep sparkling.